Hi, this is Dave from New Mac Equipment. Today I'm just demonstrating a DURMA press brake that we got in for sale. So I'll just demonstrate that the machine operates. That's the blade going down to the moot point. Okay, so that's all working. The machine's got a power back gauge, so I'll press the button. You should be able to see the back gauge going out. And the other button, it's coming in. So the machine's fitted with a laser guard system. That's on there. That's the transmitter side. The receiver. That's the extra tooling that comes with it. Okay. Let's go around the back. Foot pedal control. It's a 1997 machine.